Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate destination for the freshest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the future, the 2026 Toyota Highlander. If you're looking for a perfect blend of family-friendly comfort, technology, and rugged performance, the new Highlander might just steal your attention. The Toyota Highlander has always been a staple in the midsize SUV segment, known for its reliability, spaciousness, and smooth drive. For 2026, Toyota continues to evolve this winning formula with bold upgrades. The exterior design has taken a noticeable leap forward. It boasts a sleeker profile with sharper lines, a wider front grille, and slimmer LED headlights that give it a more aggressive and modern look. The redesigned alloy wheels and aerodynamic curves enhance both style and efficiency, making it stand out in traffic or parked in your driveway. Step inside, and you're greeted with a futuristic cabin. Toyota has packed the Highlander with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, an upgraded digital instrument cluster, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and more space in the second and third rows ensure a comfortable ride for all passengers. Not to mention, the panoramic sunroof and advanced sound system that elevate the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Highlander offers multiple powertrain options, including a more refined 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and an enhanced hybrid setup for those leaning green. Both promise better fuel economy without sacrificing power, making this SUV as efficient as it is capable. All-wheel drive is available, along with multiple drive modes for different terrains, giving it great versatility for urban roads and weekend adventures alike. Starting around $41,000, the Highlander remains competitively priced considering the tech, safety features, and comfort it delivers. Its biggest selling point, a perfect balance of practicality, style, and Toyota's legendary durability. That wraps up our quick look at the 2026 Toyota Highlander. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and tech-loaded SUV, this one deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with Auto Vibes for more car content coming your way. Thanks for watching.